Matip ngaya Pynheh ni hai. Bagi sendang bayo abreu am. Ki em news nam tam. Ya kitu bosong morway. Kumamia.
Wat mundur li min em temian mea. Nam kumta ti mayai hap kun sai so nap kin chong mea.
Nah, kertang komplit. Tempat jing em jong ma. Incomplete.
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi bas nyambat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Menteri Kabinet Jengok Kai Pynheh Timothy di Shira hakas pautri Rempang arja penria ulaya thu apa Sorkar jila kadang ap ika Sorkar Pdeng ban pelak bisa sanpau Klur tengka nak benta ban Shna Pynheh ya kakat Liengsuiñ Baljek kabadan Tura West Garo Hills District. Haka jika keren bagi lapet hai kubur. Shira ula penpauru baka Sorkar kalak ban Shna ya ki Helipad haki District Headquarters kumju ru ha bal pakram kenang ban kintiu ya ki kam Jengok Kai Pynheh hari rom garo.
Now, the land compensation is to be paid. I think 50 crores has been sanctioned, but money fund has not been placed at the disposal of state government. Central government has already promised to sanction 50 crores for extensions of Baljek airport. But it may not be possible to extend it to accommodate the landing of this Airbus. Because you see, land available there is very limited.
So what you're saying is smaller aircrafts can land?
Yes, smaller aircrafts, you see, carrying about 70 passenger, 60 passenger. You see.
Is the government planning to have a new airport in Garo Hills?
So far, I say there is no such plan, I think, because see, any plan will be done by the transport department. But now I think no initiative has been done from the transport department, and no land has been available now. Yes. I think it will be difficult to get a land there to develop a big airport. The helipad will be developed at the headquarters of every district, at the important places, even at Daribokri also, I think helipad will be developed, so that tourism can go. Even to Balpakram also, they can come.
Beginning with the Garo Hills, then the remaining parts.
Yes, we are going to construct this tourist lodge at Shiju Cape also. And we are going to develop this Nakachikong also. Romagatal is already allotted to work. And we are going to establish this, what is called Convention Center at Jonglai Rishibel Para at a cost of 23 crores. And Nakachikong at the cost of 26 crores. At the Romagatal, it was done before I take over the tourism ministry. So I don't remember exactly. And then this one, Mandalgiri. Mandalgiri also will be taken up at a cost of 26 crores. Or 23 crores, I mean.
You know, many tourists come to Nokrek and
Yeah.
So are there any steps to improve and...
Yeah, road will be developed. And moreover, you see, some projects have been taken up, I think, in this Nokrek Biosphere, and this Daribokri. Now it is handed over to the community management, and communities now they are taking interest to manage it. They have already circulated a notice also that nobody is allowed to throw the garbage, waste at random. So they are requested to throw the garbage in the bins. And then nobody is allowed to defecate openly. So toilets are also arranged. So like this.
Bye.